Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. It's nice to see you again, or nice to be here again. As you can see, in today's video, I'm sharing this lovely hair that I got from Yolissa. I'm going to leave all the information about this hair down below in the description, and where you can get it. All of it is going to be in the description down below. As you can see, it's a V-part wig, and I'm just trying to show you the combs that it has. So it has a few combs, I think about 6 combs around the V-part area, and then it has 4 other combs on the side, and then at the back it also comes with an adjustable band on the back so that you can pull the cap tighter if that is what you want. So I just went ahead and I washed the hair, and then after washing it I let it air dry. After that, I'm just trying to curl the wig. I just wanted to see how it curls, and I usually just like to show you guys like how it curls and if it holds the curl and what that looks like. So I am using this super cheap curling wand that I got from Amazon. It's actually quite new, and this was my first time using it. It wasn't hard to use, but I'm really also not the best at like curling hair or anything like that. I actually used to tend to prefer using flexi rods for curling hair, which I did for this hair as well, and it came out pretty amazing. So the hair really holds the curl, and it actually really keeps it for like a long time, because I've only curled it basically just this time, and the hair is still curly right now, which I'm like, that is super amazing. So after I curled it there, I wasn't ready to install it, so I just went ahead and put some flexi rods because I wanted the curls to remain nice and bouncy as they were. But like I said, like it really does hold the curl. The wig is still curly right now for me curling it just that one time. So I'm just cutting the V, like, the wig, so that I can basically have a V over there. And as you can see, I have my hair like all at the back except the section at the front that I'm just basically going to use to cover the V part area that is like basically doesn't have hair. I realized that I actually left out more hair than was necessary. So you don't need to leave out this much hair like I did. You can leave out less hair, and it would still like be sort of like a seamless, not sort, it would be a seamless coverage of the wig and the part. And I really liked how my hair blended with the hair, with the wig. It just came out really looking really nicely. And if you're not new on the channel, you know that I'm not like, I don't put on wigs a lot, so I'm usually not the best at putting them on, and this was fairly like, it was super easy to put on, which I love. So this is what the curls look like with the flexi rod. As you can see, like like the hair really holds the curls like really nicely. I don't think I mentioned it, but the length of wig that I have on is 20 inches. I tend to go with 20 inches most of the time. I think it's like the best length for me. And as you can see, like even with the curls, like it doesn't look short. It looks like super, like, like a nice perfect length. And as you can see, the wig is really full. The density of this one is 180 percent density. Again, I'm going to leave all the details down below about the hair, and the color is 1B as well. And as you can see, the curls are looking so beautiful. I really love it when I do curls and they actually like turn out looking nicely. And as you can see, like super nice. And I'm telling you, like really, it holds the curls so well. I've been rocking it and it's still holding the curls pretty well. So I did a pretty terrible job of trying to lay my hair, but you're going to see very soon. So basically what I did, I wanted it to lay flat, but instead of, like, I should have used the flat iron instead of using the curling one to curl my hair, because basically what I did is I went and did the round thing at the base of my hair, which basically makes it not lay as flat as I wanted it to. But I went ahead and I actually fixed it. As you can see, I left a little bit of leave out at the front. I just thought that it blended so much better if I pull out just a little bit of hair on the side. You don't actually have to, because I just pulled it like a little bit, just like the way you saw me playing with the comb, and it still matches so seamlessly. Like I really love this hair. It's super soft. Like when you wash it, like I said, I washed it before I curled it, and the body wave, like the bounce was still there. Like it looked really, really nice even after being washed. Some wigs, you know what happens when you wash them or when you do something, like it looks different. But I was really, really happy with the way this one held up. And as you can see, I'm just basically trying to lay my hair flat just so that it looks more natural, I'd say. And as you can see, I'm just using this like hair, it's like a hair slicking type of thing. I don't know the name of it, but I got it from Amazon as well. So I'm just applying that, and then I'm just going to use the curling wand again to try and lay my hair a little bit flatter. But this is pretty much it. Like this is me just basically doing the finishing touches. Like I said, it's super, super easy to install. I'm not like a wig expert. You know that if you're not new. So if I say something is easy to install, it is easy to install. But I really, really love the end result. Like I said, I've been rocking this wig for I don't know, the past few weeks, I think. And I'm really, really loving it. I got so many compliments and it's just the best. Thanks Yolissa Hair for sponsoring this video. I'm going to leave all the information about the hair linked down below, and you can definitely check them out. They have some nice discounts on their website, so you should definitely go and check it out and see what discounts you can get from them. But that's it for the video, ladies. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for watching the video till this point. I hope I see you on the channel next time. So have a lovely, lovely week. Bye, ladies.